Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to download your message story in Facebook in 2023. This process is the same for iOS and Android devices. So let's get started. First of all, you should enter on your account in Facebook and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Settings and scroll down below and find Download Your Information. Here choose Request a download. Select your particular account. Each account has its own information. And then select the type of information that you want to download. There are a lot of options and you should choose the messages. Just click on it. Next. Here you can choose the format of the file, media quality and date range, and then submit request. When your file is ready, you can download it. It can take from 5 minutes to 1 or 2 hours. Tap on download. I hope that this video was so useful to you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.